Are you looking for the best cargo management product? In this video we will show top 5 best cargo management product. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. 21 cubic feet car rooftop cargo bag carrier. Soft rooftop luggage bag for all vehicles. Without racks, with waterproof zip, luggage lock, anti-slip mat, storage bag, door hooks, blue. Brand, APTY. Material, polyvinyl chloride, PVC. Product dimensions, 52-inch LX 39.5 WX 17.5H. Color, blue. Water resistant sleeve, waterproof. 100% weatherproof. To ensure complete protection against water, we've upgraded to a high-quality waterproof zipper and added a wide Velcro flap to cover the zipper. RIP resistant, built to last with heavy-duty 900D anti-abrasion PVC fabric that can withstand harsh weather conditions and rough handling. The triple reinforced welded seams provide added strength to prevent tearing, making it ultra-durable and reliable. Anti-slip and anti-theft. Equipped with an anti-slip mat, this bag remains secure while driving at high speeds and safeguards your car roof from scratches. It also includes a code lock to prevent theft. Large storage space. Number 2. Sailnovo car rooftop cargo carrier roof bag. 20 cubic feet waterproof, roof cargo carrier fit car without luggage rack, vehicle soft shell roof cargo, box with tie-down strap, safety hook. Brand, Sailnovo. Material, 1000D Oxford cloth. Product dimensions, 51-inch LX 39 WX 17H. Color, black. Large carrying capacity. This premium Sailnovo rooftop cargo bag 20 cubic feet of storage car bag capacity and can hold 5 to 7 suitcases, camping tents, sleeping bags, and more. Made of soft shell material, roof rack cargo carrier can be folded into a storage bag to save space when not in use. Note, our roof bag is not suitable for vehicles with sliding doors. More safety. Besides load capacity, stability is arguably the most essential factor in a vehicle's top carrier. Our car roof cargo carriers are designed with 4 built-in reinforced straps, extra 4 door hooks, and 2 long luggage straps. For safety reasons, the more straps and clips for securing the bag to the roof, the better. Tear-resistant and waterproof, features 3 layers of 1000D Oxford cloth waterproof material. Sailnovo rooftop cargo carrier bag is twice as strong as other brands' 500D fabrics. We found that different brands could easily tear through the seams, so our roof rack cargo carrier doubled up our seams and widened the waterproof zipper flaps. Easy to install. We provide 6 heavy-duty tie-down straps and 4 safety hooks that can be easily attached to the vehicle's luggage rack in minutes. Fits most roofs with crossbars / side rails / baskets or bare tops without racks. Fits most size vehicles such as cars, SUVs, pickups, station wagons, hatchbacks, hardtop crossovers. Number 3. MeeFar roof rack carrier basket. Universal rooftop 51 inches by 36 inches by 5 inches plus waterproof bag, 15 cubic feet, and cargo net with attachment hooks, ratchet straps. Color, black. Brand, MeeFar. Item dimensions, LXWXH51 by 36 by 5 inches. Load capacity 200 pounds. Item weight, 18.46 kilograms. Durable build, tubular steel and black epoxy powder coating to promote high strength and a lightweight design. And covered in a rust-free coating. It is rated for 200 pounds. Overall dimensions, 51-inch L, X36, W, X5, H, 200 pounds capacity. Aerodynamic, features a windshield that helps protect cargo from wind damage and keeps the vehicle more aerodynamic. Easy assembly, easy to assemble and install on your vehicle's crossbars, mounting with 4 universal U-bolts. You will need crossbars to use this roof basket. Number 4. RoofPax XXL 28 cuffed car rooftop cargo carrier bag. Extra waterproof car roof storage with 10 heavy-duty tie-down straps and 4 hooks roof bag, cargo carrier for top of vehicle without rack. Brand, RoofPax. Material, polyester. Product dimensions: 52-inch LX 39.37 WX 24H. Color: black, orange, or gray. Item weight: 15.6 pounds. Safety comes first. RoofPax Car Roof Cargo Carrier Bag is the only brand that produces its car roof carrier for maximum safety with the patented 4 extra free door hook straps included, instead of using straps that go inside the car. Extra large roof bag. Our RoofPax Car Rooftop Cargo Carrier boasts an impressive 28 cuft car roof storage, making it a versatile choice for SUVs and various cargo carriers, whether they have a roof rack, raised side rails, crossbars, or none at all. 100% waterproof. Our top-grade car roof bag boasts dual zippers for extra weatherproofing, double seam technology, and water-repellent coating, Velcro strap restraints, heavy-duty zippers, and sturdy straps with buckles. Everything you need is included. Everything's covered in our 28 cuft car cargo carrier package, for patented door hook straps/clips, a secured combination lock, and a robust storage bag. Secure and easy car top luggage storage for your travels. Free extended warranty. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We offer a lifetime warranty for zippers and a 5-year warranty for fabric durability. Our dedicated 24/7 customer care team is always ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. Number 5. Asinking Car Rooftop Cargo Carrier Bag. 22 cubic feet waterproof roof cargo bag, 500 pounds brake strength, fit vehicles with / without roof rack, includes anti-slip mat, 6 door hooks, luggage lock. Brand: Asinking. Material: polyvinyl chloride, PVC. Product dimensions: 52-inch LX 40 WX 19H. Color: black with brown. Our Asinking roof rack cargo carrier is totally upgraded with thicker material, stronger seams for high brake strength up to 500 pounds, larger and smoother zipper, heavy-duty straps and easier installation, to maximum reduce any quality issues during your road trip. 100% waterproof, snowproof, and ultra-secure to use, durable that resists to any harsh elements. Differ from others, this car roof cargo carrier has wider straps to 1.5 inches, strong enough for heavy loads up to 600 pounds, keep the car top carrier never moving even you drive at 70 to 80 miles per hour, plus, the non-slip rubber mat will help a lot. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.